Here they go. They're getting excited, even Beckham. It always breaks up into teams. Beckham wants to play. He's getting excited. He's smiling. There he goes. Look at that man. He's doing the chorus. Come on. If Handy won't play with you, Morris, I will. That's what Beckham's saying. Look at them go. Maybe the cooler air is good for Beckham. I think Candy's a little overwhelmed. Candy is now finding out what it was like to be Snickers and Henry when she was a puppy. And Beckham is saying, give up on her and play with me. Snicks, where are you in this game? She's ready. She's ready. And Sparkplug is eating dirt. He's taking his way to China, and he's going to eat dirt. Yum. Yeah, this is what he does when Pandy won't play with him. He goes to Snickers and she says, I'll play with you. And then Pandy comes over. There. Because Pandy really wants to play with Snickers. Henry's cheering. Henry's saying, go, go, go.